Hi guys, today we will be looking at the accounting equation. If you understand the accounting equation, you'll also understand the balance sheet and the importance of it in your business. We'll discuss balance sheet in a later video in fuller detail, but for now we know that the accounting equation is the basic to the double entry system. This equation is that the stuff that the business owns should be equal to the stuff that the business owes. The stuff that the business owns is assets, and the stuff that the business owes is also known as equity to owners or shareholders, and then liabilities to any third parties. Assets can be further defined as bank or cash, receivables, inventory, equipment, or vehicles. Equity can be defined as capital or drawings, as well as income and expenses, while liability is long-term loans, as well as payables. Let's look at a few examples. We've got a company, DeVos Trading. So on the first, DeVos Trading paid 1,900 in cash to the Daily News for advertising. So we know that our bank would be minus 1,900 because we paid that money now, and our income and expenses would be minus 1,900. On the third, DeVos Trading purchased a vehicle for the managers worth 350,000 from Human Auto and Credit. So we know our assets would be more as we purchased the vehicle that's worth 350,000. We know that our liabilities will also be more with 350,000. Now that it's payables and not long-term loans, because they didn't state that it was bought for a period longer than 12 months. Then on the 15th, DeVos Trading paid cash into the account of a supplier for 10,700 worth of goods that was previously bought. So we know our bank would be minus 10,700 as we paid that now, and our liabilities would be minus 10,700 because we settled that debt. We don't owe it anymore. Then on the 25th, DeVos Trading received rental income of 12,500 for equipment which was rented out to a supplier. So we know our bank would increase with 12,500 as someone else is paying us, and our income would also be more with 12,500. Then on the 30th, Mr. DeVos contributed his personal laptop to the business valued at 24,000 rand. So we know our assets would be more as we've received equipment that's worth 24,000 rand now, and our capital would also be worth 24,000 now. That's money that's owed to the owner. Then if you look at the total assets, the amount is 373,900. If you look at the total equities, that would be 34,600, and then if you look at the total liabilities, that's 339,300 rand. So that 373,900 is also equal to the total liabilities plus the total equities, which is 373,900. It always balances, always. So guys, there you have it. Assets equals equity plus liabilities, and remember, it always balances.